Welcome back to Excel Flash tutorial. Here I want to show you how you can get into a cell to edit it by using a shortcut. Let's look at this cell with this typo February. Usually to edit a cell you would simply double click on it, but if you prefer using shortcuts, you can move your cursor to a specific cell using the arrows on your keyboard and then hit the shortcut Ctrl U to get into the cell. This shortcut is for Mac, but the concept is same for Windows. It's just a different shortcut, and I think it is the button F2. So now you can edit the contents of the cell and correct the mistake, and once you're done, you can hit Enter. If you made a mistake, simply go into the cell again by hitting Ctrl U. And if you feel like you need to add a second row, use the shortcut Alt Enter. Click on the link above here if you want to see it in more detail. I hope this video has helped you. There are more tutorials like these in my Excel Flash tutorial playlist on my channel. Please go to my channel to check this out. Please like the video if it has helped you, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the little alarm bell so that YouTube will notify you of my weekly videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again soon.